Hey there and welcome back to the channel. This is your host Nahin. You are watching Bengal Explorer, and in this video I'm going to share the owner's review about this Hyundai Nios. Well, this car has been owned by my uncle since 1.5 years and already done the first and second servicing. And if you are someone who is willing to get a Nios this year, then this video would be very informative about the ownership experience about this hatchback. So stay tuned to this video till the end and I wish you will enjoy watching it. And with that being said, let's get started. The first parameter which I would be discussing is about the mileage of this hatchback. Well, you can easily get an average mileage of above 21 kmpl, and in case of city driving with AC on, it will provide a mileage of around 18 to 19 kmpl. And soon I will be posting a dedicated video on the mileage test of this Hyundai Nios, so stay tuned to this channel. And in terms of mileage, it's pretty good in this car and it has always satisfied us in terms of fuel efficiency. Now the second parameter which I would be discussing is about the handling and driving impression of this Hyundai Nios. Well, in terms of handling and high-speed stability, it will always provide a big smile while driving this hatchback. The brakes are pretty sharp enough to slow you down in high speeds. And in terms of handling and gearbox, Hyundai is well known for its smooth handling and gearbox setup. Well, in terms of city drive, it also very easy and convenient to drive this car. Now the third parameter which I would be discussing is about the maintenance cost of this hatchback. Well, in terms of servicing, we have completed the first and second servicing. Now the first servicing is free. Meanwhile, the second servicing costed around 15 to 1600. So in terms of maintenance, it's also very pocket friendly. Now the fourth parameter which I would be discussing is about the rear space, comfort and the seat comfort of this hatchback. Now as it's a hatchback, the headroom is not adequate, but the under thigh support and rear space is adequate enough for 3 people to sit comfortably. Now the fifth parameter which I would be discussing is about the safety features and the build quality of this hatchback. Well, if I talk about the interior fit and finish, it's pretty decent in this car. And considering the price segment, it would not disappoint you as such. And in terms of safety features, it also very standard in this car. So this was about the owner's review of the Hyundai Nios. And if you consider any other cars in this price segment like the Maruti Suzuki Dzire, then I have already reviewed the Dzire with its pros and cons, and I will be giving the link in the description below. Do check that out. And if you are still watching this video, consider subscribing to the channel and turn on the notification for future updates. And if you like the content, please consider by liking this video, and in case you want to dislike, comment down so that I can improve in my future updates. Once again, thank you for tuning into the channel and I wish to see you in the next one.